The Zimbabwe Republic Police has publicly assured the nation that peace, security, and law and order will prevail as we approach Friday, 31 July. This is a welcome and a reassuring development. Organizers of the peaceful demonstrations have consistently called for the same peace. Nzanapinda mashoko kubuda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti the ZRP yachitaura pamusana pedau yema-protest are scheduled for tomorrow, the 31st. Anooneka kuti ma-protest ari kuenda against ma-constitutional amendments. Don't even subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda munao toona this ZRP press statement yakanzi ZRP assures Zimbabweans of peace and security in the country. Tipinda the letter inosainiwa na Commissioner Paul Nyati obudanyika mchinzi. The Zimbabwe Republic Police assures Zimbabweans of peace and security in the country. The police has made deployments in all parts of the country for effective maintenance of law and order. In this regard, Zimbabweans should feel free to engage in normal day-to-day activities without hindrance. The public should feel free to report any criminal activities which include threats, harassment, or intimidation to the police at any nearest police station or national complaints desk on numbers as mentioned on the screen. Tuma developments are kuda panguva ino atikunoti the ZRP irikuda panguva ino ichiti aiwa we are going to capture anyone achakonzeresa chaos, vachakonzeresa violence, vachakonzeresa threats or anything of any sort panguva ino munyika yeZimbabwe tomorrow panawo dzema protests. Man, developments are kuda panguva ino despite the fact that people they've got their right to demonstrate and petition so long they are free. Panguva ino kuri kuno konse everyone munyika yeZimbabwe they are now being scraped off their right kuti varege kuratidzira kana kudemonstrate. Apina comment section medu za funguro enyimotodi pamusoro pechitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.